Welcome back, tubers. This is Reverend Jeffrey, and today we're going to go on another trail hike today, and we're going to go see Madison Falls. As you can see, the road going up into the park is closed. It's been closed for a couple of years due to a washout. I used to work for the park, as some of you may already know, and it's a shame that they've decided not to fix the washout. It's a beautiful park up there. Another reason I want to go up there is because that's where the hot springs are at. Well, the one set of hot springs that people like to go to, that's a nice hike. There's another set of hot springs. We'll go see that sometime, but it's been commercialized. It's now a pool, and it's all been developed and everything. So, but there's still some things to look at once we get over there. Again, that'll be in an upcoming video. Today, this is a short one. Madison Creek Falls is a very short. It's only a couple of blocks to get up to the falls, so it's really short. This is a cute little trail that we got here. Like I said, it just snakes up a little bit. It's not very long. You can actually hear the falls from here. These cute little zigzags we got right here. Now, see? Bench, right? I was complaining about this in my last video when we went to the Spruce Railroad Trail. There was no benches. And this one, even as short as it is, has benches. I find it very comforting that they allow people to sit down every now and then. You know, because older people like to see these sights, you know, and they have a tendency to want to sit down every now and then. Oh yeah, people playing in the river down below. Yes, that's how we enjoy nature. Oh, lovely. All kinds of people up here today. And we're videotaping other people videotaping. Check these falls out. Isn't that beautiful? That's got to be at least a good, 70, 80 feet high up there. I wouldn't quite say it's 100, but it's fairly close. Oh, the size of that rock that goes up there. Oh my God, that cliff face. And of course, we're now midway into the summer. The water is starting to be reduced quite a bit. When it comes up to winter, it'll be pouring over that thing pretty substantial. Oh yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show that to you really quickly today. Let's see if we can. Beautiful, beautiful. I've been kind of wanting to do this one here for a little while because it's, it's so short, Anybody can come up to this one. It's right off the parking lot. We can get to it. So this will be a short video for today. I'll start working on another one, and we'll get you guys fully immersed into our beautiful national park system up here. And again, let me show you the size of this one tree stump that we have down here. I see a couple of more right here. There's actually two stumps side by side, but they're, looks like they may have been logged turn of the century, last century. And you know how cedar is in the weather. It holds up pretty well. So for this stump to be this rotten, degraded, it must have taken quite a long time for it to get to that point. So again, as you can see here, we're good 8, maybe even 9 feet across here. I was thinking about bringing my tape measure to see the exact size. But again, it rots out from the inside first, a lot of these older trees. And we'll see that in the next video coming up. That is Madison Creek Falls as we come back out to the parking lot. And again, let me take you across the street here and we'll look at the river. This is the Elwha River, of course. And it's great for fishing. The salmon are all getting reintroduced back to the river in substantial numbers again because they've taken out the Elwha Dam. There's 2 dams on the Elwha River, and they were both, since they were older, they're 100-year-old dams, they all filled up with sediment. So what they did was, ooh, that sunshine's bright out here today. Try to turn off my filter here, and it keeps coming back on. But anyway, as I was saying, the salmon now and all the other indigenous fish types that come up through here, they can go past the dam now. It's all been naturalized, and the flow has been restored to the Elwha River. And it's a beautiful sight. Good sized river. And that leads, of course, to the Elwha Delta on the west side of Port Angeles. And that happens to be one of our Elwha tribes down there that happen to enjoy that area down there, the Delta. Now, I happen to work this the national parks when they were taking that dam out, and we were developing the parking lot up on top there by the dam. And so we made that look really nice, and it's for tourists. But now you can't get to it because there we go, Madison Creek Falls Trail. The road's closed. It's been closed for a couple of years, and I keep inquiring every now and then, and there's no plans to open it. So maybe they need a big fund to do that. Maybe they need some more interest in people wanting to restore our national parks. So if you guys have an inclination to help the cause out, please let somebody know up here at Port Angeles station. Give somebody a call and let them know we want it open again. All right, thank you very much for watching. I am Reverend Jeffrey. If you made it this far into the video, please throw me a like and a subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.